Hello guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to make easy money using DaManager hosting partner program. In this partner program, you do not necessarily need to do much. All you have to do is recommend DaManager to people to buy our product, then you will get your commission. It's as easy as that. Now before we get started on the steps you need to take and the product you will be recommending, I would like to give you a general overview of what this partner program is all about, what it entails. So let's get started. Like I said, you recommend DaManager, then you earn your commission. So start earning up to 20% commission for each new customer you refer to buy DaManager product. You earn 20% commission. It's an opportunity to earn a massive income while helping businesses grow online. So when we say passive income, what we mean is that an opportunity to make money with little or less effort. So to begin, you have to click on this sign up button here or become a partner. Either way will take you to your registration page. Now before we go into that, let's look at the steps you need to take to begin this partnership program. How does this program works? First, you sign up. Like I said, to begin, you need to sign up. Click on the sign up button here or become a partner. Either one will take you to the registration page. So once you fill out your registration form, your application will be approved by DaManager. So you have to wait after filling your registration form to get approved by DaManager. So as soon as your registration gets approved, you will then receive a special partner code, your unique referral code you need to recommend people to DaManager products. So that's for the sign up. And the next step is recommendation. After signing up, getting your partner code, your unique referral link, then you can start your recommendation. You can refer customers to any of our hosting products by using your unique partner code or choosing from our selection of customized banner. Now, DaManager has diverse means to make this partnership a success for you by providing different means such as flyer. So as soon as you sign up, you own a dashboard. This dashboard will entails everything concerning your partnership, your referral, numbers of referral, your payment history, and also customized banners attached to your referral link that you can share on any of the social media platform. Customized banners, logos, flyers. So you see these devices on your dashboard. So they are not just helping you to make money, they are also helping you to succeed in this partner program. Now, after recommending, what next? The earning. You can earn commission whenever someone buys our product. So it is not enough for them to click your link. Yes, they can see your link on WhatsApp, they can see your link on Twitter, they can see your link on Facebook, they can see your link on your website. That's if you own one. They can decide to click it to see what the products are all about. So it is one thing for them to click, it's another thing for them to buy our product. So you get your earning, as I will call it verified earning. You get your earning as soon as your referees purchase our products. So that is that. So I will guide you through this step. I will guide you through this step. But before we go into that, I would like us to continue on what DaManager Partner Program is all about. Now, why partner with DaManager? At DaManager, we help businesses. I know many of you will be wondering, what is DaManager? What are you referring people to buy? What are their products? Now, DaManager is a fast-growing and reliable hosting provider. They help business grow online by providing optimized hosting solutions. So that's what basically DaManager is all about. And what will you be recommending people to buy? Their hosting products. We will go into that. I will show you that. But before then, let's continue. At DaManager, we help businesses grow better and succeed online. We offer affordable and reliable hosting solution with optimized server to support all kinds of users so that they don't have to worry about technical details. So your referrals, aside you, this is another reason why you should recommend people to buy DaManager hosting products. Aside you getting your 20% commission, your referrals, people purchasing our product, also get 20% discount. So you are getting your commission, they are getting their discount. So your referral enjoys 20% discount when they use your referral code to purchase our hosting product. Okay, now why partner with DaManager? Like I said, you get up to 20% commission, high conversion rate, you make money, access to creative libraries, in the sense that you have access to our banners on your dashboard, your special dashboard made specifically for you. You have access to libraries, creative libraries, banners, logos, flyers on your dashboard. Also, why you should partnership with us is that there's a 90-day cookie window attached. A 90-day cookie attached to your window. So when you upload your product on the you upload your link rather on social media platform, and someone click on your link, now the person may not necessarily purchase our product immediately. They may not necessarily buy in the next 30 days, or the next 60 days, or 3 months. So this is the advantage of this 90-day cookie. A cookie is attached to your window in such a way that even if this person does not purchase immediately, but purchase 30 days later, you still get that commission. You still own that commission. So within these 30 days, if the person should purchase our product using your referral link, it may not be immediately after clicking your link, but within these 13 days, if the person purchases our product, you earn your commission. Then there's full professional support. DaManager technical team, their support team, our support team, is open to you 24 hours. In case you need any support or more enlightenment, you can contact us anytime, any day. You have our full professional support. Now, who joins the program? Who joins the DaManager program? Our partner program is open to those with vast online presence and interest in technology to earn extra income. So rather than wasting your data going to social media all the time, to gigs and laugh, you can take advantage of it. Use your data, sell our products online, and you earn your commission. So it's as easy as that. You can introduce DaManager to as many referrals as you like, and you will get paid as many times as you like. Like I said, who joins the DaManager program? We have the business owners, we have the marketers, we have the developers, we have the bloggers, the educator, we have the consultants, content creators, influencers, digital marketers. So basically everyone can partner with DaManager. So to see the product you are recommending people to purchase from us, the product you are recommending people to buy from us, just click on this see product to promote. See product to promote. Click on this see product to promote here. It will take you to the product you are recommending people to purchase. Now, these are diverse testimonies from our partners, good sales from our partners. Frequently asked questions from our partners. People that has come to join our partnership program, frequently asked questions by them. How does the program works? How does the program works? Now, our program helps partner to earn commission, like I earlier said, by promoting our products or services to potential customers. Once accepted into our program, partners receive a generated unique link or code that can be shared on social media or added to your website. That's if you have one. So whenever someone click on your link or uses your code to purchase DaManager product, the conversion gets tracked by our partner system. So there's 100% tracking device that has been made. So there's nothing like you refer someone to purchase and the person didn't know. Our system is 100% guarantee in terms of tracking your referrals. So once the purchase is verified, now when they say verified purchase, your referee has 30 days payback, 30 days guarantee. So they get the privilege of that, in the sense that they can use our product for 30 days, make their payment. If they decide that, oh, this is not what they bargained for, they have the right within these 30 days to demand for their money back. And you, on the other hand, you have 35 days payback, in the sense that if we wait within these 30 days and your referee did not demand for his or her money back, then you get your commission immediately. So we don't want a situation whereby when they purchase our products, we give you your commission, then within that 30 days period, they will demand for their money. You get that? So we are trying to be on the safer side. So why they have you have to wait for 35 days. If they did not demand for their money within the 30 days guarantee, then you get your commission as soon as possible. So it's as good as that. So what is DaManager and how do we promote it? DaManager is a reliable hosting provider that provides different services to help businesses grow their presence on the internet. Like I said earlier, we have good hosting services for your company. So to ensure your promotional efforts are successful, you can place your partner link or banners in a strategic places like your website, that's if you have one, social media platforms, Twitter, Facebook, your WhatsApp status, your LinkedIn. So you can place your partner link there so that as soon as they purchase, you get your commission. Also, you can share your partner code with your network. You can attract more customers and increase your sales through DaManager, and you'll get more commissions. Do I have to become DaManager customer? No. You don't have to become DaManager customer to promote DaManager products. Just sign up and tell your friends about our hosting products. Tell your customers, your website visitors, your social media followers about DaManager. Easy as that. So how long do commission last for? How long does this commission last for? Now, if your referee purchase a 1-year plan, you only get commission for that year. For that just once. So don't expect on renewal you're going to get a commission. No. So you get more commission when you recommend more people to buy more products. How do I get paid? Fast transaction. It's as easy as that. You can cash out your earned verified commission from your profile. So we only use direct bank transfer. We don't use PayPal. So as soon as you sign up on your dashboard, you'll see a section where you are being told to enter your bank details. So it's a direct transfer, very sharp one. How do I qualify for this program? How do you qualify for DaManager program? Great news. So for now, this partner program is only available for Nigeria residents. Though we plan on going outside, we plan on taking over the world. But for now, this partner program particularly is exclusively available for Nigeria residents. That's it. When do I get paid? As earlier said, there is a 35 days waiting period before your commissions get approved. We need to approve that, your referee is not going to demand his or her money back within that 13 days. So you have a 35-day waiting period. As soon as we prove that, this person that purchased this product did not demand for his or her money, though we doubt that because our product is very reliable. Our hosting products are very reliable. So you have a 35 days waiting period before your commission gets approved. So DaManager offers a refund within the first 30 days of account creation to customers. So when your customer click on your link, when your referee click on your link, and they purchase our product, they have first 30 days refund benefit, 30 days refund benefit. So you, on the other hand, you wait for 35 days. So once your commission gets verified, you will receive your payment immediately. So on your dashboard, it will be shown there that, verified commission and unverified commission. So you see your pending money. So as soon as it has been approved, it will also display on your dashboard that, verified commission. Instantly, you get your cash. As easy as that. So is there a minimum payout threshold? Note that only verified commission of 3,000 counts as a minimum threshold, so you cannot withdraw below that. So your minimum will have to be 3,000 naira threshold. How do you track sales? How do DaManager track sales? We have several ways of tracking sales. A cookie stays on your referrals browser for 90 days. Yeah, a cookie stays there. Whoever clicks your link, a cookie is attached on his or her browser. So within that 30 days. So when they click your partner link, so you can get the sales even if they don't purchase immediately. When they click on that link, instantly a cookie gets attached to their browser that tracks whenever they buy, you get your commission. So start now, become partner with DaManager by clicking on this join now link right here, then take you to our registration page. I hope this video was useful. In case you have any question, feel free to drop a comment below. In case you have any challenges and all that, just drop your comment below and we'll reply immediately. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the like button. Thank you very much.